today's episode, we're going to go over the Oracle stock, which just shocked Wall Street with a massive earnings breakout, sending the stock soaring nearly 17% in a single day. Now the question is this just the beginning, or is Oracle due for a cool down before the next move higher? Let's start off here with the monthly chart, and this monthly chart is looking really bullish. We just broke above the 21 moving average here with a gigantic green candle. The stochastics RSI are low and the RSI is above the 50 and also pointing up. This is looking like we continue getting a higher move up. We're coming down from a crash from $345 all the way down pretty much to about $135. So if you guys were able to pick this up off of this 50 moving average bounce, you guys are in gains right now at the moment. If we head over to the weekly chart, we're also above the 21 moving average, and most importantly, we just got above this 50 moving average. To me, once you're above the 50 moving average, this could be the beginning of a bull market here for Oracle stock. Now, I would like to see more candles close above the 50 moving average, because we could easily get a red candle next week. All of a sudden, we have tweezer tops, and then we have to come back down, retest this 21 moving average at $168, and then we don't follow through on that move. But I'm starting to see here kind of like an inverted head and shoulder as well. You can see here a left shoulder, a head, and this could be like a little right shoulder that just started to break out. If this is the case, the measured move to this could take us to about $271. Now, the one thing that I'm not liking is that we are a little toppy here in the stochastics RSI, but it's not the end of the world. As you can see here, we dragged here for a couple of weeks before rolling over, so the same thing could happen. We could definitely make a higher move up and possibly even go as high as testing these wicks here before rolling over. So this is looking very bullish to me at the moment. We head over to the 3-day chart. We got some bearish divergence here on the stochastics RSI. We're getting toppy on the RSI. The stochastics are a little toppy, but I'm liking that we crossed above all these moving averages as well. We have a gigantic green engulfing candle here. Now, what's going to be bullish here is if we could get this white line, this 21 moving average, to cross this 200 moving average. That's going to be bullish, but we have to be careful. We just made a very large move up. I'm going to expect a little bit of a cool down before moving up. We're starting to get far away from this 21 moving average, and the stochastics are toppy here. On the daily time frame, we still have some room to continue going up on the stochastics RSI. Again, very bullish. We're above the 21 and we just broke above the 200 moving average. Now, I would like to see some consolidation. Have a couple more candles close above the 200 moving average to really secure this big move up and then prime ourselves to continue going up here. So if we could start flagging out here for a couple of days, this will be bullish, and wait for this 21 moving average to catch up to price and get above this 200 moving average as well, which will continue to make us even more bullish. We head over to the 4-hour time frame. Stochastics are getting a little toppy here. The RSI is getting a little toppy. We're very far away from this 21 moving average. Like I said, we made a big move up, so I would be expecting us to go sideways here if we're bullish. Wait for this 21 moving average to catch up and then for us to pop up. Now, we could also roll over here a little bit and meet the 21 moving average, but I would say as long as we could stay above $194, which would pretty much be above this 21 moving average or above 200, we consolidate. That will be a healthy correction before making a bigger move up. We do need for this stochastics RSI and this RSI to reset a little bit before continuing to go up. If we continue just to go up, that crash is going to be pretty fast as well. So I'd rather us just go here sideways for a little bit and then have that bigger move up. If we head over to the 1-hour time frame, a little bit overbought here with the RSI, the stochastics RSI, we're toppy. We're far away from the 21 moving average. I'm liking we're starting to flag out here sideways as well. And on the 15-minute time frame, the 21 moving average did catch up to price, so I could see us getting another little small move up. You can see that the stochastics RSI here are starting to reset. So if we do a measured move here, I could see us getting to about $239, $240, breaking out of this flag, and then from there really cooling off, letting the higher time frames reset on the stochastics and the RSI a little bit before eventually making a higher move up, possibly to about $280 and possibly even retesting the all-time high of about $345. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.